Get ready to uncover the truth behind popular food myths and misconceptions. Contrary to popular belief, eating carrots in large quantities won't give you superhuman vision. While carrots do contain vitamin A, which is important for eye health, consuming excessive amounts won't improve eyesight beyond normal levels. Contrary to popular belief, eating before bed does not directly cause weight gain. It's the overall calorie intake that affects weight. In fact, having a balanced meal before bed can promote better sleep and prevent late-night snacking. There is a common misconception that brown eggs are healthier than white eggs. However, the color of the eggshell has no impact on its nutritional value. The difference in color is simply due to the breed of the hen.